Hey guys, welcome to Sydney PTE Study Center's PTE Cram series Retell lecture folder. Now, if you're watching this video, you may have already received your gradings for Retell lecture, which are red, yellow, or green. Now, if you are at the green stage, this folder can be used to some extent to keep on top of things. Now, if you click onto the folder, what you will find out is that there are sets of questions in 4. There are 39 such questions for you to go through. I will go in details into how you can use these folders, but keep in mind, we will go through in green, yellow, or red stages. Let me start off with how you can use these folders and these sets. If you click on one of the recordings, what you will find is that just to mimic the exam scenario, we have recorded and we've also placed the precise times that you get for preparation in your exam. For an example, once the first recording begins, after the recording has finished, you will get 10 seconds of preparation time, and then you will listen to a beep sound. That beep sound is an indication that the recorder is live. Our advice is that you sit down with a recording device and record your response. Now, just for an added benefit, what we've also done is added a warning beep sound after the 35th second. Because remember, in your lecture classes, we've advised you to speak nothing more than 35 seconds. Now, just to make you aware of the timings, we've also added a double beep sound after the 38 seconds, which means you really have to close this answer and move along to the next one. But after 40 seconds are over, simply the recorder itself will go dead, and then you get another 10 seconds of preparation time before a new recording begins, and then you continue with the process for 4 such questions. The idea, guys, is to use these folders of 39 question sets to get prepared for your PTE exam. As I was saying, if you're in a green zone, all you have to do is to keep on top of things. You have to go through about 10 to 15 such sets for you to find out if you are performing with the expectations that's required of you in the exam. If you're in the yellow zone, my advice is to go through all the sets properly, but also make sure that just for your self-analysis, quickly find out if and any such questions where you hesitated or you had some sort of problems, why don't you reverse and sit down for those sets again and find out how you can correct those positions. Now, if you're in the red zone, you're really in the red zone means you are really not up to the task. My advice is to go through those sets properly and in depth, and also follow the guidelines that were provided to you in the classes. So the basic concepts were to take clear notes and then make sure you're not hesitating and you are following it up with proper pronunciation and fluency. Just to help you a bit more, we also have something that's going to excite you. If you go and click onto our listening master file, what you will also find out is a cheat sheet section whereby we've gathered around 250 plus exam scripts of Retell lecture questions for which there are no recordings because these are exam memory notes. So guys, before you go to the exam, why don't you just read through them? Make yourself aware of what sort of topics you might get in the exam. You may not know the recordings, but at least if those notes are there for you to guide you, that may help you out. Bottom line is, guys, make sure follow the instructions that you got in your Retell lecture classes, which was take clear notes, take complete notes, and achieve oral fluency with correct content pronunciation. Catch you on the next one, guys.